Today we will learn how port security is implemented in switch ports. So port security is just used to provide security to the access ports by limiting number of MAC addresses that can be assigned dynamically to a port. So there are two switches, switch 1 and switch 2, and switch 1 is connected to the host with its fast Ethernet 0x4 interface. So to enable port security, first we will move to the configuration mode. Then we will write the interface in which we want to implement port security, that is fast Ethernet 0x4. Then we have to set the mode of this interface to the access mode, as by default all the interfaces are in desirable mode. So for this we use switch port mode access command. Now the next command is switch port security, which is used to enable port security in this interface. Now, to allow maximum association of MAC address, we use switch port security maximum, which ranges from 1 to 5120. So I am using here 1. I am using here 1, that means only first MAC address associated to the port will try to send packet through switch. Then the next command is used to enable sticky learning by using switch port security MAC address sticky. This command is used so that all dynamically learned MAC address before sticky learning was enabled are converted to the sticky secure MAC addresses. Then the next command is to enable the violation mode by using switch port security violation. Then there are 3 violation modes: protect, restrict and shut down. So I am using here shut down. This command is used so that if another device having different MAC address will try to send frame through switch 1, the port would automatically be shut down. Then exit. Now port security is enabled on fast Ethernet 0x4 port, and we can verify it by using show port security interface fast Ethernet 0x4. Now it will show that port security is enabled on this interface, and the maximum number of MAC addresses allowed are 1, and the security violation count till now is 0, and the last source address is 0014.f27f.8560.1, which is the MAC address of the host, which we can verify by using show interface fast Ethernet 0x0, through which host is connected to the switch 1. Now here we can see that the MAC address of fast Ethernet 0x0 port of the host is 0014.f27f.8560. Now to see what happens when violation occurs, means another device with different MAC address will try to send packet, and for this we will change the MAC address of fast Ethernet 0x0 port of the host. And for this, first we will move to the configuration mode. Then the interface fast Ethernet 0x0, then MAC address, this command we have to give to the host. So for this, first we will move to the configuration mode, then interface fast Ethernet 0x0, then MAC address, then the address which we want to give. So I am taking here 1000.0200.00001. Now the MAC address of this interface of the host is changed, and we can verify it by using show interface fast Ethernet 0 by 0. Now we will see here that the MAC address of this interface is changed to 1000.0200.0001. Now we will see on switch 1 that it gives a message that interface fast Ethernet 0 by 4 change its state to down. It means when a violation occurs, shutdown violation mode shutdowns its interface from the switch. And we can also verify it by using show port security interface fast Ethernet 0 by 4. Here we will see that the security violation count will become 1 from which is 0 initially. So this is how port security is enabled on switch ports. Thank you.